Hello folks, my name is Lance Pennington with Johnson RV. I'm going to give you a walk around real quick on this 2017 Springdale bunkhouse. It's a 22-foot bunkhouse. So we'll go ahead and make our way around the coach here. We'll start up front. It has the larger 7-gallon bottles versus the typical standard 5-gallon bottles. It looks like, this being a used coach, that the old owner is passing on the EQ hitch and the sway bars. That's about a $500 expense that comes along with the coach. As we work our way down the side here, you'll see traditional pass-through storage up front. You know, your fishing rods, skis, whatever it may be. As we look up, you've got a power awning. You've got outdoor speakers. Of course, your hot water heater. You've got a power outlet here. Probably the most important, the coolest feature on the outside, the living side, is the outdoor kitchen here. You got yourself a little refrigerator, a sink, and of course a cooktop. We'll go ahead and dual axle. That does add a little weight to the overall the empty weight of the coach, but obviously it helps disperse the weight a little better and makes the towability much better than, say, a single axle trailer. So, of course, your main door with the window, which is key, and then your screen door. We've got a walk-around bed, which on a travel trailer of this length on the shorter end of things is key. Typically, you've got to be at least about 22 feet before you're going to get yourself a walk-around bed like this. As we move back, of course, you got a dual sink. You got a 3-burner stove, which is critical for a lot of people. You've got your traditional oven, microwave, and a larger refrigerator, and a separate freezer for those longer trips. And as we work our way back in the corner here, being a bunkhouse, these are what we call double beds. They'll accompany a 6-foot adult, or of course your children. Probably the biggest features in the inside for this travel trailer is when you think about sleeping, you can sleep as many as 2 people on each one of those bunks. This here booth turns into a bed as well. It'll sleep an adult at about 6 foot in height as well, and then you've got your queen up front. So a lot for a 22-foot coach. This kind of checks a lot of the boxes, and hopefully it might be the right one for you. So if you have any more questions, you can call Lance Pennington at Johnson RV 253-286-0833. Thank you.